Morning, folks. We're at Emerald Park.
Another Hendertainment vlog.
Yes.
Baby.
It's another morning, folks.
Another day, another sleigh.
Leah doing the L's. Morning, folks. So we're at Emerald Park, in case you haven't realised. It's a lot of fun.
Is that where we are?
We've been on a few coasters already, but I said I better introduce the vlog, so this is a bit weird chronologically. But we're about to get on the airplane.
I thought it was Tato Park, no? Hello, I'm here. I'm Luigi, I'm here too.
You'd know all about Tato, pal.
Yeah, I would, yeah.
He's the number one customer.
Flashback.
They're getting on this spinny thing. I don't want to get sick. Let's go for a spin, little bro. Safety first. Bridge, your one's broken there. I'll slip out, man. You're nervous? Oh. I don't like spinny ones either. That's why I'm not on it. I'm in danger. Yeah, fuck that. No way. Whee! Bridge looks terrified. Oh, look at Bridge's face, man. Are you catching on to that?
What? Wait, what am I doing for the video? That is so cute.
You told me to stop getting close to people's faces, so I'm getting even closer now.
We wish you were here, Woodsy.
Not.
Yes.
Any cues?
Any cues?
Flo thinks he's nonchalant. He's eating the chewing gum like a cow.
Hello, it's me. We're going on a boat thing. It's called the Viking boat. And basically
Viking Splash tour?
Yeah. So basically you go up and down on little ramps and all that and you get wet. So that's what we're doing now. You're part of it. He's ready for it as well.
Son.
He's ready for it as well.
Son.
It's getting flashbangs.
Sunny.
Very sunny.
Say hello.
Hi.
Go up Cú Chulainn.
Yeah, actually I might do.
We're going to Cú Chulainn. We tried the basketball.
Oh, I hate that, man. I tried to get that once and it just didn't work.
Let's try.
I spent 40 quid on it once.
We won Leah a cow. We definitely won. We definitely got it in.
I think there's a person.
You going on a spin? Any cues, part two?
Any cues?
Rachel's first time. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Some headache off this road.
Yeah, you do.
End of flashback.
plane, they plane.
That's where it's a little slower.
They plane, they plane, they plane, they plane. They plane, they plane, they plane, they plane. Oh, thank you, boss. Oh, thank you, boss. They plane.
It's beautiful, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, boss.
It was bad, baby.
7:59 a.m.
Yeah, you're dead right, pal. Don't mind them. Sup, bro? Yeah, alright. Yeah, no worries. He's so fluffy. Touch him. He jumped. He jumped right at the top.
Of course I did.
That's why he's the goat. The goat. That's why he's the goat. The goat. It's a donkey. Yeah.
Actually, 5 seconds.
Is there a wandering trader nearby?
I have to get a receipt for that here.
Did you hear me? Wandering trader nearby.
So,
Bro doesn't know. And in bridge, Brandon. So I'll insert the picture of a wandering trader here. Bro has built a better facial hair than me.
it's not hard.
Should you?
He's up to something, he is. He's up to something, man. Can't put my finger on it.
Scheming.
You can't put my finger on it, man. Scheming, bro.
Can't trust a bird that has balls on his chin.
Exactly.
Porcupine. Porcupine tree. Porcupine tree. Let me in. Let me in. Dinosaur coaster.
I don't even like dinosaurs. You bet dinosaurs got wiped off the planet. You bet dinosaurs got wiped off the planet. Sorry. See the way dinosaurs got wiped off the planet? Right? If humans got wiped off that planet and the next species that took over, do you think they'd have a human roller coaster?
Possibly.
Oh yeah. Deep thoughts with the deep.
Another zesty moment. Bridges beside his girlfriend, but he's staring at me who's behind him. Zesty.
Oh yeah.
You got another photo.
Hang on, let me get it in first.
I'm counting that as a zesty. What do you think?
That's what I think.
He's bottled it. Thanks for the videos, Brandon.
What that video? Sitting down though.
This was a lie. He took no video. It's all lies. They're not even square. Finished with Emerald Park and now we go cinema.
Yes.
Cinema.
Scary movie.
It's a movie that's scary.
Spooky, scary movie.
You're part of it.
We'll let you know what we think after.
The Wayne's Bro.
Sound.
This
Please.
ad was my fucking
Don't be
picture.
that idiot on your phone. In the event of an alarm sounding, please make your way to a safe area outside.
Okay, so it's quite a while after the Emerald Park video was recorded, but I just realised I never outroed anything, never got any opinions from Bridge or Rachel on the scary movie. So let's try give Bridge a call on Discord, see if he answers and get a bit of feedback on the movie. I seriously doubt he's going to answer right now though. Let's see. Okay, as anticipated, he didn't answer. Let me just give a breakdown myself and outro this video. So in the process of editing, realised I didn't say anything after the movie, so I'm here to tell you that now. And Bridge let me down by not answering the phone. Bridge, why didn't you answer the phone, man? But yeah, Scary Movie was pretty good. I'd say it's probably the best since the second movie. I really enjoyed the first two movies. So yeah, it was definitely the best since the second movie. It's good to have the Wayans brothers back. And yeah, it was a bit more of a clip, like a sketch show clip montage more so than a movie, but I really enjoyed it. If you're into horror movies and you have like horror movie knowledge, you'll really enjoy it and really find it funny. Other than that, Emerald Park was fantastic. It's like my fourth time there now, and it's always great crack on with the lads. Cú Chulainn, as you saw in the video, nearly killed me. The Fianna Force I actually thought was a bit more tame than previously, but maybe I'm just getting more used to it. But yeah, Cú Chulainn still nearly killed me. I think it's just a small rackety, so it gives you that headache after. But if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, follow. I'm trying to hit 10 subscribers on YouTube. So Yeah. No, I want to hit 1,000. I really want to hit 1,000 before the end of this year, so I'm grinding and grinding and grinding.
Thank you guys for 19 followers. Maybe after this day we have 25 followers. Please. Please.
And yeah, so if you enjoyed it, there's more to come. As always, good night, God bless.